Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a tissue paper rose. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are a stapler, scissors, and a piece of tissue paper. First, I'm going to take a piece of tissue paper, and then what I've done is I've just folded it until I get small rectangle square shape. Now what I'm going to do is staple the center. Just like that. And now I'm going to cut out a circle. Just like this. And now I'm going to cut little slits all around the edge. Just like that. And now the same thing with the tissue paper flower. We're going to fold up and kind of crinkle it around a bit. Just like that. And you can see this really looks more like a rose than the other one. And I'll pull it down as an example. This is the paper flower. And this is the rose. And with the flower, we didn't cut it in a circle, we did a flower shape. So that really changed the look of the rose and the flower. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!